Good evening, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So in this session we talk about theory of equations, concepts of the theory of equations. Okay, and now few more models need to be covered in even probability chapter as well as complex numbers too. So I could remember because the examinations are dates have been announced, so that at least I need to give the concept of the theory of equations so that you can solve problems even though they appear in the entrance examination. So definitely Peraya trigonometry ratios basic videos I could remember. Siddhartha Vanka, you may be new to my class, right? Good evening, good evening all, good evening all, good evening, good evening. Swati Singh, Prasanna, Nitish. Complex vectors, complete vectors. Okay, that will be done. That will be done. Okay, right. Deepthi, Siddhartha, Sai Deepika, Nitish Rao, Sheikh Hamad. Okay, one more thing, actually any new members are there, like, subscribe and share. Balu, Vaishnavi, Nagachandra, Vaishnavi Rati Devi, after long time. Karthik, Deepthi, Ajanta. Okay, Kintali, Bantali, Bantala, Shamala. Right, KVR Creations. Okay, Vamshi. Okay, no problem, no problem. So all of you once again actually watch the previous videos also. Start the preparation. Still I think you have 15 days of time. Okay, no problem. Right, thank you. Let us start. Mannan Divya. I don't have the idea, Sheikh Ahmad. That depends upon. Okay. Theory of equations. Theory of equations. This is the part 1. Right. Both Eamcet, AP as well as Telangana. Next, polynomial equation. Polynomial equation. So first let us discuss the concept of the polynomial equation. What is meant by the polynomial equation? So polynomial equation means an equation of the form f of x equals to p naught x to the power of n plus p1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus p2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus p3 x to the power of n minus 3 plus so on dash dash pn P naught does not equal to 0 is called nth degree polynomial equation. Polynomial equation. Generally, we deal with polynomial equation in x or in y also, sometimes any other variable. Equation in x, this is called. Now, examples. F of x is equal to x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. F of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 5 equals to 0. F of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. This is actually quadratic equation also. This is cubic equation. This is biquadratic equation. This is called quadratic. This is said to be cubic. This is called biquadratic. Generally in this chapter we deal with no problem Suma. No problem. In this chapter we deal with the cubic and biquadratic equations. Already we have done quadratic equations, we have completed. So we deal with these two type of equations. So next, this is very important, relationship between roots and coefficients. Roots and coefficients. This is next concept. So this is very important. Actually, the most of the problems in competitive entrance examination, whether it may be AP Eamcet or Telangana Eamcet or even any entrance examination in India, generally these type of questions will be asked, whether it may be NDA or Air Force or whatever examination is there, you take it. The relationship between the roots and coefficients will be asked. One question definitely will be asked in this area. Let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on dash dash, alpha n be the roots of the equation f of x is equal to p naught x to the power of n plus p1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus p2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus p3 x to the power of n minus 3 plus so on dash dash plus pn. P naught does not equal to 0. P naught, P1, P2, P3 dash dash Pn may be real or complex numbers. So that means then so we have first result. First one, sum of the roots sum of the roots. Sum of the roots means alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus alpha 3 so on alpha n. So that can be written as sigma alpha 1, you can write it. But instead of writing alpha 1 plus alpha 2 and so on dash dash, right, sigma alpha 1. This sigma alpha 1 is notation, you can write S1. That means here sum of the roots, all roots, is divided by S1. S1 is equal to minus x to the power of n minus 1 coefficient by x to the power of n. S1 means minus x to the power of coefficient of x to the power of n minus 1 upon x to the power of n coefficient. That is minus p1 by p0. This you remember. This is S1. So next, second, sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. Taken 2 at a time means alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 3, alpha 4 and so on, alpha n minus 1, alpha n, and their sum, product sum. The sum of the product of the roots taken 2 at a time. 2 at a time is equal to sigma, you can write alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 1, alpha 2. This is S2. S2 is equal to coefficient of x to the power of n minus 2 upon x to the power of n. Positive only. That is P2 upon P0. P2 upon P0. Yes, absolutely correct, Balu. Next, similarly, sum of the product of the roots taken 3 at a time, sum of the product of the roots taken 4 at a time, that also we can find out. So last we can find out product of the roots, that is alpha 1 into alpha 2 into alpha 3 into alpha n also we can find out. That is called Sn. So now let us find out S3. So S3 is equal to similarly we can find out sigma alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 equal to S3. S3 equals to minus P3. Now you can observe a pattern in this one. Starting with minus, plus, minus. Next will be minus and so on like that. So now, fourth point you can find out. Product of the roots. Product of the roots. That means product of all roots. Product of roots is equal to, you can write alpha 1 into alpha 2 into alpha 3 into dash dash alpha n. This we can write Sn. This Sn equals to, you can remember like this. Sn is equal to last what we have Pn upon P0, but we do not know the sign. Sign is very important. So that's why what you need to write means actually here minus 1 to the power of n. Last one is Pn upon P0. See, that means, for example, you see here, for example, why should we get here actually minus sign means here 1 minus 1 to the power of 1 is equal to, you get minus. Here S2 means minus 1 square is positive, so you get positive. S3 is minus 1 whole cube. Minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus. So that's why here we need to write like this. Product of the roots is equal to alpha 1 into alpha 2 into alpha 3 into and so on alpha n is equal to Sn is equal to minus 1 to the power of n Pn upon P0. Okay, next let us discuss second point. Second point we shall discuss. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of ax square plus bx, sorry, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. A does not equal to 0. Then this is important actually. All of you concentrate. So here 1, let us find out S1. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. This equal to what we write now? Minus coefficient of x square by x cube minus b by a. Second one, here you find S2. S2 is equal to, how to write S2 here, you remember? That will be alpha beta taken 2 at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to C by A. So third is S3. S3 is equal to directly product of the roots, that is alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by A. This is called cubic equation. Okay, right. So let us discuss one example now. Example. Let alpha beta gamma be the roots of x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 7 equals to 0. Then first one, alpha plus beta plus gamma. Second, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Third, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. So find these values. Let us find these values now. So how to find out now solution? You see first alpha plus S1, that means we need to find out. S1 means alpha plus beta plus gamma. That means what do you get now here? Here we have, this is minus 3 by 1, minus 3. Now S2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. So that is equal to, what do you write now here? X coefficient by x cube coefficient, 5 by 1, 5. Now S3 also write down, that is no problem. Let us find out one more value, fourth value, alpha beta gamma also write down. So now this is third one, you say this is fourth one now. First let us find out this one. See S3 is equal to alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma means constant term by x cube coefficient, positive one only, negative one only, minus 7 by 1, minus 7. So next fourth one you need to find out, that is 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Here we can write alpha beta gamma LCM. This becomes beta gamma alpha plus alpha beta. That means it is nothing but S2 upon S3. So S2 is 5 S3 is minus 7. So minus 5 upon 7. So like that we can find out. Okay. I hope everybody will understand this one. Right. Next. So important note. The equation having roots alpha, beta, gamma is the equation having roots alpha, beta, gamma is. So that means we can write that equation is x minus alpha into x minus beta into x minus gamma is equal to 0. But we need to simplify this one. This we can write x minus alpha multiplied by this x minus beta into x minus gamma is x square minus you can write beta plus gamma of x plus beta gamma equal to 0. Again if you multiply with x minus alpha you get x cube minus of beta plus gamma x square plus beta gamma x minus alpha x square minus alpha beta gamma alpha of x minus alpha beta gamma is equal to 0. So this can be rewritten as like this: x cube, from these two take minus x square common, you get alpha plus beta plus gamma of x square. From these two this will be beta gamma x, right? X cube, yes, beta gamma x, right? This will be plus only, sorry. So now here we get x common, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha of x minus alpha beta gamma equals to 0. Understood now? Now here one interesting factor, this can be replaced by s1, this is s2, s3, or you can write like this: x cube minus s1 x square plus s2x minus s3 equals to 0. So better you can remember like this. This is called formation of the cubic equation if roots of a cubic equation are given. So now one example let us discuss. Example. The cubic equation whose roots are 1, 2 and 3 is. So now we need to find out. Right. No problem, Venkateshwarlu. Continue. The cubic equation whose roots are 1, 2, and 3 in x only you need to find out cubic equation. So that means first what we need to find out? S1. S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma. So we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. S2 you need to find out. S2 is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta means 2 plus beta gamma means 6, gamma alpha 3, 11. Now S3, alpha into beta into gamma, that is equal to 6. Now required equation. Required equation is, what is the required equation form? X cube minus s1x plus s1x square s2x minus s3 is equal to 0. Substituting x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. So this we can find out. Yes, Suma, exactly correct. X cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 equals to 0. Next, now third point. Let us discuss third point now. Third point. Right. If alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots of a equation, roots of an equation ax to the power of 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0, where a does not equal to 0. Then first point, what is the first point? Means s1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. Very simple, that is minus b by a. Second one, s2 is equal to, this is very important, you remember, alpha beta plus alpha gamma plus alpha delta, taken two at a time. So next is beta gamma plus beta delta plus next one is gamma delta, taken two at a time. Taken two at a time means actually this concept you can use 4c2. Out of 4 you need to take 2 at a time. 4c2 means 6. There should be 6 combinations. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Enough. Stop. Alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta. Start with beta. Beta gamma, beta delta. Simple gamma delta. That's all. Is equal to, you get now c by a. This will be c by a. So this can be remembered in another way also. This can be remembered. So this can be remembered like this. S2 equals to alpha plus beta multiplied by gamma plus delta plus alpha beta plus gamma delta is also c by a. So you can remember easy way, you can remember like this also. If you simplify, you get same terms itself only. Right. So next third one is S3. Here you get S3 also. S3 is actually taken 3. Taken 3 means 4C3. 4C3 is equal to 4C1. That is 4 terms you will be getting. 4 terms means alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta. This is equal to minus d by a. Okay, this can be remembered like this. This can be remembered like this. So this can be remembered. Alpha plus beta, write down bracket, plus here gamma plus delta. Gamma plus delta. Gamma delta means alpha beta here. Multiply with alpha beta, write down. Alpha beta means multiplied by gamma delta equal to minus dy. So you can remember like this also. S3 can be remembered like this also. So this we cannot remember, but easily we can remember. Alpha plus beta into gamma delta plus gamma plus delta into alpha beta. If you expand it, you will get the same terms. Same terms you will get it. So next one is fourth one. See, the fourth one is what? S4. Very simple S4. Product of all roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta equal to E by A. E by A. Yes, absolutely correct. So note, right now, important point. The equation having roots alpha, beta, gamma, delta is x to the power of 4 minus alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta of x cube plus alpha beta, alpha gamma, alpha delta, beta gamma, beta delta plus gamma delta of x square minus alpha beta gamma plus alpha beta delta plus alpha gamma delta plus beta gamma delta of x plus alpha beta gamma delta equals to 0. Or this can be remembered like this: x to the power of 4 minus s1 x cube plus s2 x square minus s3x plus s4 is equal to 0. This you can remember. Right. So let us discuss one example. The equation whose roots are 1, 2, 3 minus 1 is. So actually first find a quadratic equation is 1, 2, quadratic equation 3, 1 as 1. Whose roots are? Get the product. That will be very easy instead of doing like this. The quadratic equation formed by 1, 2, that means the required solution you can find out like this also. Quadratic equation formed by 1, 2 is x square minus 3x plus 2. So multiplied with the quadratic equation formed by these two roots, x square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Excuse me. Multiply these two, you will get the answer. Multiply these two, you will get the answer instead of applying this formula. This formula you need to apply just for concept sake only. But cubic equation applicable, but more than 3 roots, 4 roots, 5 roots means, so don't adopt the method. Better this remember, this is important. You remember this one. This one you remember. Okay, next now. Fourth concept. Fourth concept is very, very important concept. If alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. A does not equal to 0. A is a non-zero number. Then we need to discuss the important points. First point. What is the first point means? Sigma alpha square. Sigma alpha square. See, one proof I will give it. Rest of the proof just remember, because we don't have the time. Just one proof I will give it. Rest of the thing you can prove yourself. Sigma alpha square, for example, you are asked. Sigma alpha square means first you write down here S1 find out. S1 means alpha plus beta plus gamma. That is minus b by a. I will write directly. S2. S2 is equal to alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equal to c by a. S3, you know, alpha into beta into gamma, that will be minus d by a. Am I correct now? Already we had a discussion on this one. Now, what is the wrong with this one? Mr. Venkatraju. Okay. Now sigma alpha square. Sigma alpha square means we need to find out here. First let us prove this one. After that we shall move. Leave it this space now. Solution radar. Sigma alpha square means alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. So this is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square. This we can write alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square minus 2 times of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. See, it's very clear. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is S1. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is S2. So now this can be written as S1 square minus 2S2. So you remember like this. So this we can remember like this. S1 square minus 2S2. That's all. S1 square minus 2S2. Okay. Otherwise S1 square means b square by a square minus 2c by a. But don't do it. Leave it up to this one. Now the second concept in this one only. Regarding to this one, second concept. Sigma alpha cube. You may be asked sigma alpha cube. What is sigma alpha cube means? S1 cube minus 3s1 s2 plus 3s3. Next, third one. Sigma alpha power 4 s1 to the power of 4 minus 4 s1 square s2 plus 4 s1 s3 plus 2s2 square. Fourth one is sigma alpha square times beta plus gamma, if you are asked. So this is s1 s2 minus 3s3. This is same as sigma alpha square beta also. Fifth one, sigma alpha square beta square. Sigma alpha square beta square is equal to s2 square minus 2s1 s3. Check it whether something mistake, any mistake is there. Now you can check it. Right. Sigma alpha square s1 s2 s3. With the help of this only we need to find out all these things. Right. So now the fifth concept. So to solve a cubic equation, to solve a cubic equation when the roots are in, first point, are in AP, arithmetic progression, AP, then they are taken as alpha minus beta, comma alpha plus beta. For example, if the problem is related to the cubic equation, thank you, Thakur. Cubic equation, if they are an arithmetic progression, then we need to take alpha minus beta, alpha and alpha plus beta. Sumant, Mahalakshmi, give my number to Bindu Reddy. To solve a cubic equation when the roots are in AP, then they are taken as alpha minus beta, alpha plus beta. Second, for example, they are in geometric progression. They are taken as alpha by beta, alpha and alpha beta. For example, they are in harmonic progression. Roots are taken as 1 upon alpha minus beta, comma 1 upon alpha, comma 1 upon alpha plus beta. This is very important point. Results we need to remember. Okay, anybody give my number? Give my number. Just ping me, then I will add you in the group. Okay, arithmetic progression, geometric progression and harmonic progression. Okay, let us discuss one concept now here. Okay, one example we shall discuss. One example. If the roots of ax cube plus bx square plus c bx cube cx square plus d is equal to 0, a does not equal to 0, or in AP arithmetic progression, then the condition is so that means find the condition that the roots of ax cube plus bx cube, ax cube plus bx square plus cx, wait, I did mistake here. Find the condition that roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. थोड़ा गलती हो गया. Okay, now it's correct. Condition we need to find out. Okay, let us proceed for the hint now. What is the hint? Let the roots be alpha minus beta, alpha beta beta, okay, next alpha plus beta, okay. Right, S1 find out. S1 means sum of the roots alpha minus beta plus beta plus alpha plus beta. Sorry, let us check it now. Alpha, I did have taken wrong. This is alpha. Okay. Sum of the roots alpha minus beta plus alpha plus beta equal to, what do you write now? S1 is equal to minus b by a. Here beta gets cancelled. We have 3 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Now alpha is equal to minus b by a. You get this condition. Okay. Since alpha is the root of this equation, now write down. Since alpha is one of the roots, that means alpha must satisfy this equation. So now we get that implies a alpha cube plus b alpha square plus c alpha plus d is equal to 0. Instead of alpha minus b by a, replace. So if you replace it, you get like this: a times minus b cube by a cube plus b times b square upon a square plus c times minus b upon a plus d equals to 0. Right? Now multiply both sides with here you will be getting a square. Multiply with a square. If you multiply with a square, what do you get now here? If you multiply with a square, this will be minus b cube plus a square cancel, we have b cube plus here minus ab plus a square d equals to 0. This b cube gets cancelled. We have, if you take a common, what do you get now here? A into ad minus b equals to 0. This condition we shall get it. Wait. So now what do we have here? See, a alpha cube plus b alpha square plus c alpha plus d is equal to 0. Here alpha is equal to, you check it in this one, alpha is equal to, here alpha equals to minus b by 3a. This we have forgotten this one, this value. Now alpha is equal to minus b upon 3a. Replacing, we get a times minus b cube upon 27a cube plus b times alpha square. Alpha square means b square upon 9a square plus c times alpha means minus b upon 3a plus d equals to 0. Now this can be written minus b cube upon 27a square. This will be plus b cube upon 9a square minus bc upon 3a plus d equals to 0. Now multiply with, so multiply with 27a square both sides. So this will be minus b cube plus 27a square into b cube by 9a square. This will be 3b cube. So now 27a square by 3a, that will be 9a minus 9abc equal to 27a square d equal to 0. So therefore we get like this, 2b cube minus 9abc plus 27a square d equal to 0. So this is the condition, we'll get it. This is a condition, we shall get it. Okay, this type of lengthy questions may not be asked, but in order to understand the concept I explained you, don't leave it now. Very simple questions you have in the examination. Okay. Like that for geometric progression, arithmetic progression also we have the conditions. So those conditions actually we can remember, don't worry. That will be 2b cube plus 27a square d is equal to 9abc. This also we can remember like this. 2b cube plus 27a square d equal to 2b cube. You might have done in your board examination, this one, board examination. Right. Similarly for geometric progression, harmonic progression also, we can derive the formulae. But we don't have the time, just only I explained one of the methods, but if you want, you need to check out later, don't worry. But I will give the conditions. Okay, sixth point. The condition that the roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0, a does not equal to 0, are in, are, first point, are in arithmetic progression, or in AP is, what is the condition? Just we derived 2b cube plus 27 a square d equals to 9abc. You can check, just we derived. So this, 9abc. You take this 9abc this side, 9abc. Second, in the similar manner, we can derive for GP condition also. GP is AC cube equals to AC cube is equal to B cube D. Third one, in harmonic progression. In a harmonic progression is 2C cube plus 27 AD square equal to 9 BCD. So remember, this is very important. Better you need to remember these results are very important for solving the problems. These results you need to remember. But don't prove them. Now onwards, don't prove them. You need not prove. Just remember that's all. For a sake, I proved one thing. Seventh result. This also you need to remember. The condition that one root of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. A does not equal to 0 is sum of other two roots is, so that is 8a square d plus b cube equal to 4abc. That means in this case, what is the condition is given means first alpha is equal to gamma plus delta, like this. Alpha is equal to gamma plus delta. 8a square d plus b cube is equal to 4abc. Next, eighth one. The condition that the products of two of roots of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. A does not equal to 0. Is minus 1. So this can be remembered like this: a bracket plus bracket d write down is equal to 0. That means what is the remaining? Actually a times a plus c write down here, d times b plus d write down equal to 0. This you can remember like this. So next, ninth concept. if alpha plus root beta is a root of f of x equals to 0, whose coefficients, this is important, whose coefficients, so this is important, whose coefficients are rational. Rational means it may be real also, but not complex. You remember, that's very important case in this case. Okay, whose coefficients are rational, then alpha minus root beta is also a root. Where root beta is irrational. So that means one example, let me say one example. If 4 plus root 15 is 1 root of f of x equals to 0, whose coefficients are rational, are real, no problem, you can say real, then other root is in the form of alpha minus root beta, then alpha square minus beta square equals to, this is the question. First all of you observe the question, what the question I have given. Here see what I have asked actually here, see. My intention is that alpha square plus beta square we need to find out. Solution. Roots are 4 plus root 15. Since coefficients are real, other root will be 4 minus root 15. So this is in the form of, this will be in the form of alpha minus root beta. Comparing, on comparison, alpha is equal to 4 and beta is equal to 15. Therefore what we are asked here, alpha square minus beta square. 4 square minus, here, sorry, you take it, okay, no problem, beta square. Beta is equal to how much? 15 square. 16 minus 225. So whatever you get it, write down. That's our answer. Right. Not root 15. Beta. I asked beta. Beta square. Not root beta square. Not 1. See, beta root 15 equals to, you see here very carefully. Root beta becomes root 15. Squaring on both sides. Beta becomes 15. I asked alpha square minus beta square. Not 16 minus 15. No. 16 minus 225. All of you check once again. See, other root is in the form of alpha minus root beta. Yes, in the form of 4 minus root 15. Alpha minus root beta. Comparing, alpha is equal to 4. Root beta is equal to root 15. Beta becomes 15. I asked alpha square minus beta square. Yes, minus 209 is the answer. Everybody will get confusion, definitely. Everybody will write one answer 1. But answer 1 is incorrect. Right. So thank you. We shall continue the class in the next session. Tomorrow morning, Not tomorrow morning, tomorrow. That depends upon, I will decide. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you. So moreover, don't worry, we have a lot of shortcuts. We actually, while doing the problems only within a paper, without paper pen, we can solve the problems. But we need to discuss the concepts I have been discussing. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.